Did you know OPIE Manufacturing Group doubles aluminium cutting capacity in one easy cut? The challenge, cutting aluminium, is difficult due to heat spreading quickly, which causes warping. The metal tends to stick to the tools, and aluminium's reflective surface complicates precise laser cuts. Despite these challenges, OPIE is dedicated to finding the right solution. The solution: the FOM Industrie Blitz Alva 500. This machine, manufactured in Italy, has twin heads that double our cutting power. It can cut angles between 22.5 degrees and 90 degrees, and it can handle large projects and does the job twice as quickly. At OPIE Manufacturing Group, we're not just making cuts, we are the cutting edge.